Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do another unboxing, but this is makeup. This is from MBX Ambassador platform. So Kaja Beauty sends me stuff through that platform. So I filled out a form and I got chosen to receive this product. Okay, so they usually send emails and forms, and if you're interested, you sign up. I don't sign up in all of them because most of their items are like pencil, eyeshadow, mascara. I was like, I already have one of them from that brand. I was like, I don't need a lot, but this one came with lip products, and I haven't tried their lip products before, so I was like, I need to get it because it just looks pretty and amazing. So ta-da, I got the Chewy Glass Lip Duo. So this is instant hydrating and plumping lip oil duo. So it's like a combination of everything for the lips. So this is in the shade 01 Rose Hip Spritz and Raspberry Refresher. My tripod backdrop fell, but these are the shades. So okay, this is how the box looks. Okay, let me open this. I wonder if you slide it, or let me just open it from the bottom. Okay, so this is anything lip product I need, I love, because I always run out. So oops. Oops. Oh look, it's so cute, and they're tiny, they're small. Okay, so the first one is like this pinky color. Ooh, it has like a little ball inside. We see the crystal. Oh, it has a cute heart. Oh, so cute. But you see, I don't know what it is. I guess it's just for decoration purposes. But anyways, the product, it looks like this. It doesn't have a lot of product, but it's fine. It's good for travel every day. So I just made a smoothie. These are blueberries. This is not dirt, and number 2 is literally fruit. I just washed my hands really fast and like came to film, but anyways, I'll clean them later. Okay, I'm not dirty. Okay, so the wand, it looks tiny. It doesn't have a lot of product, but let's see. So smells so good. Okay, so the wand applicator is pretty short. It's little, but it's thick, like big. So you know what I'm saying? I'm kidding. It is so pretty. It just smells really good. So let me swatch. Ooh. It tastes like fruity and chemically, but it smells good. And okay, right off the bat, it's moisturizing and it feels like a gloss. I don't feel anything plumping yet. It is not sticky like or thick. It's very lightweight, which I love, and it feels moisturizing and it looks glossy. So overall, I'm loving the formula. First impressions wise, okay, and it's like a chapstick, lip oil, lip plumping. What is it? Yeah, instant hydrating and plumping. Yeah, it looks like it and it feels like it on the lips. Wow, I actually love this, and I just tried it really quick right now. Wow, I just love it. The packaging and the formula. Kaja is so cute. It's a K-beauty brand, and I think it's one of my favorite ones right now, makeup related wise. So I haven't tried a lot, but this brand, look, right? Yeah. Please buy this one, get it. I'm obsessed. Okay, so this, I guess, is just for decor. This little ball, I don't know how to remove it. Yeah, it's just for decoration. So the person like me likes to like play with things, move things around. So, oh my gosh, it can. It got stuck. It doesn't move. What the heck? What happened? I don't know. It's so weird. But you see, like this one moves and this one doesn't move anymore. Is it because I already used it? I don't know what's that about. This is strange. Whatever, but maybe it means if it's not moving that it's already been used, right? I don't know. It's interesting, but overall I love it. Okay, so the next shade is a darker red. So, ooh, this is pretty. This goes on clear, a slight pinkish. I naturally have pinkish lips, so I can't tell if it's going on clear with a tint shade. I don't know, but it's pretty. Okay, so let me focus it on this one. It's super pretty and red, and yeah, I just love it. I know I'm gonna run out of these. I'm gonna wear them all the time. I just wish they were bigger because, but no, it's cuter this way, you know. I'll just buy another one if they run out. I hope these are not limited edition. So was this rose hip? Okay, this one's raspberry. Let's see if it smells like raspberry. But okay, so let me. Ooh, it's red. Okay, so this one's gonna be more. Oh, this one smells different. So a little bit more toned down than the other one for some reason. I thought it was gonna smell more fruity since this one's the raspberry one. Smells very light. It smells good. It's just the other one smells more fruity, more stronger, more sweeter than this one. This one you can barely smell anything. What? Okay, so let me remove. Okay, so Kiss Wash, it's clear. Doesn't really look like it has any color. So maybe they just go on clear. I don't know, but I guess they just go on clear, right? It doesn't really look red. I don't see much difference as the other one, and this one's darker. So do y'all see a difference? I don't know, but same formula, same everything, just different scent and taste. But ooh, I love it. I so love it. It's so pretty. I didn't wear any chapstick or lip balm underneath, and this works like a lip balm because I literally don't need to wear a lip balm underneath. It feels like, I guess, chapstick mixed with Vaseline or lip oil, coconut oil, like everything mixed together, but no lip plumping, which is weird. But it says it's lip plumping too. Like, does it look lip plumping? Maybe a little bit. I can't really see my lips looking bigger, but they do look healthy and natural and moisturized. Like I drank water and I look put together, and I'm noticing that you can really see like my lines, lip lines or crustiness with this. It kind of covered it, and it looks, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just looks healthy and nice, like plumpy. Like, it's very pretty. Me, I have no lips, okay? I have really small lips, but this makes it look like I have a little something going on my bottom lip, at least. I don't know, I love it. With no lip liner, looks, I just, yeah, definitely get this. Okay, you see this one? I can still hear the ball, but not this one anymore. Like, I'm a little concerned, like, why only this side? Excuse me, I burped. So which one's your favorite? Me, both. I can't tell the color wise. I don't know, both I love. I they're so cute. So this one's more pinkish, more reddish. I'd say buy the whole set. I don't know if they sell them individually, but it says it's $25 right now. Perfect Christmas stocking stuffer, and usually it's $36, but I guess it's on sale right now for $25. I don't know. That's how they sent it to me. I think that's how they sent me. I don't know. Let's see. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The box is big, but no, it was just that. So, yay. This was a fun mini review try-on. I'm glad I got this because I think this is gonna be my favorite lip gloss moisturizer. Yeah, this is my favorite ever of the whole year. And I've tried a bunch of lip products this year that are similar kind of category, you know what I'm saying? So if you don't have makeup on, like me, I don't have any sort of makeup on, but just by wearing this, I look like put together, like I have something on. I look healthy. Like, wow. I guess it does have a slight tint. It's just not noticeable. So wow, it's so pretty. Oh yeah, I forgot to swatch. Let me swatch it so y'all can see the color difference. Okay, see, it goes on clear. Okay, so now I'm gonna swatch the other one so y'all can see yeah, it's a slight difference. It's not noticeable. It's pretty cute, right? You see? I don't know if you can see right. This one looks more clear and more red, so yay. Definitely get it. I don't have a discount code, sadly, so yeah. And I'm not getting paid for this. They just sent it to me for free. And yeah, okay, so I think I'm just gonna end it here. So bye, thanks so much for watching.